Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Stop using the device immediately to avoid data overwrites and further loss. Check if you have a cloud backup such as Google Drive, iCloud, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Inspect external backups like USB drives, external hard disks, or encrypted SD cards. Determine the device operating system and version to choose compatible recovery tools. Note file types you need to recover such as photos, documents, or email archives. Estimate the time and possible cost before starting recovery to set expectations. If uncertain, consult a professional to prevent permanent data damage. Restore from cloud backups first by signing into your account and initiating a restore. For Android, use Google Drive restore options. For iPhone, use iCloud restore settings. If backups are absent, stop using the device to maximize file recovery chances. Use trusted recovery software on a separate computer such as Recuva, PhotoRec, or Disk Drill. Connect the device in USB mass storage mode or remove the drive and attach via a USB adapter. Follow software instructions to scan, preview, and recover files to a different drive. Verify recovered files immediately for completeness and open critical documents to confirm integrity. Organize recovered data into folders and copy everything to 2 separate backup locations. Set up automated cloud backups and local backups with scheduled intervals such as daily or weekly. Encrypt sensitive backups with strong passwords or full disk encryption for added security. Create a recovery plan that lists backup locations, passwords, and contact for professional recovery services. Test your new backup system monthly to ensure backups are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.